Hey, welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, we're going simple. It's midweek. We just want something good and hearty and something that the family's gonna love. So I'm back on the smoker, but today it's chicken, because you know what? A man cannot live on beef and pork alone. I know, it's hard to believe that's coming out of my mouth, but it's true. Especially if you're married, because sooner or later, they're gonna want chicken. Let's be honest. All right, so it's chicken breast today, which I know a lot of you are going to say, oh my gosh, Greg, chicken breast, it's so hard. Yeah, it's a little tougher to cook chicken breast because it has a smaller window to be done on, but take it easy, relax. Simple recipe today. We're going to put some rub on these rests, put them on the smoker, smoke it to 155. And then we'll kick it up a notch because, you know, this is the galley, right? So here we go. So I have 4 chicken breasts. These are straight from Costco, just taken out of the package. Very little bit of trimming, just a little bit on the edge. And they're almost ready to go. So a little bit of binder. Avocado oil, we all know that I love that. And today, we're using the Hardcore Carnivores Meat Chelada. Hardcore Carnivore Meat Chelada rub. It's smoky, it's great on chicken, fantastic. We've already tried this once to see how it goes, and man, it was just, everybody loved it. So, here we go. Nice, generous coating of the rub. All right, we'll let that tack up for a sec, flip it over and we'll get the other side. All right, those are looking great, right? Well, that's it. From here out, it's right to the smoker. What you're looking at right here is all we're gonna use today. Chicken, rub, some barbecue sauce, little cheese, some green onion, and little bacon bits on top, just to make it look pretty. And you know, we can't do anything without having a little pork on it. Let's be honest. All right, let's head out to the smoker. All right, we're out at the grill. Today we're smoking on our Yoder YS640. I'm smoking with pecan and apple today. A little bit different flavor profile. You use what you like. Cherry would be great, apple, pecan, even some of the darker woods if you wanted to use mesquite, right? It's okay. So we're smoking at 325 today, a little bit higher temperature. Yeah, see, that's gonna come into play a little later. Over on the right, we're smoking indirect. We're gonna put the chicken on. And we're gonna smoke that until it gets to an internal temperature of 155 degrees. So again, 325 until it hits 155. And then we'll see what that whole cast iron pan is in there for, all right? We'll see you back in a little bit. Okay, we're 45, 50 minutes into this cook, and it's raining in the desert. We're getting ready to take these chicken breasts to the next stage. So, they're all right around 150, 155. We're gonna take these chicken breasts, put them into this cast iron pan. That's nice and hot because it's been in here the whole time. And then we're going to give them a nice coating of this Plowboy Sweet 180. It's amazing, amazing barbecue sauce for chicken. And we're literally gonna pour it on. It's that easy. So we're gonna let this cook for 10 minutes as it is. And then we're gonna grab that cheese, put the cheese on, close it up, let it get all melty, pull it off. Then we'll put those toppings on, the scallions and the bacon bits, and we'll give it a try. Can't wait to show you. All right, 10 minutes gone by. Time to get these wonderful, juicy, barbecue-y chicken breasts cheesed up. All right, oh, it's nice and bubbly. So we're gonna start with a heaping helping of Monterey Jack, if I can get the bag open. And notice I'm just using store-bought here. Remember, this is supposed to be an easy midweek meal. Not a ton of prep. All right, and then on top we're gonna put a little bit of nice sharp cheddar. Give a little color change. A little tang from that cheddar. And that's it. Another 5 minutes and we'll pull them off and finish them up. We'll see you then. Whoo, would you look at that? Doesn't that look pretty? All nice melty cheese. Oh man, that sauce and the rubs coming through. Can't wait to give this a try. We'll get Mike in here, have him try it as well. Get little greens. A little bit of bacon. And voila! With very minimal effort, you have a fantastic looking piece of chicken. Now, let's see how it tastes. All right, let's give this a try.
Hells yeah.
Oh. It's chicken breast, but it's nice and juicy. It's not dry. There you go.
Thank you.
I guess it takes two forks, huh? If we're both gonna try this. Get that bacon and the onion.
Otherwise it gets awkward.
Awkward. All right, let's go. And the crunch of the onion, that crispness, a fresh little bit of bacon, and the rub and the barbecue sauce, the cheese just, yeah, absolutely. Hey, definitely don't pass on this one. Simple, easy midweek meal that your family's just gonna love. If you like what you saw today, hit the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you want to continue to get notifications every time we put a new video out. You'll love this one and you're gonna love all the other ones that we do. So until next time,
Fair winds and following seas.
we'll see you at the Galley of the Sun.